One of the challenges of youth is to not be pushed enough, whether it's in areas of content or physical growth or relationships or personal stamina, good healthy choices with yourself, your own health and things like that. The other side of that is to help people get back up on their feet when they have been pushed and they struggle. And if they've been taught that you've got to have A's, that you've got to be first in your class, you have to be captain of the team, you have to make the musical, you have to have a date for the dance. Those are tough things growing up. So the combined effort of both of those is what drives me. A, to help challenge kids outside that comfort zone, and B, to help them get back up and realize that setbacks are opportunities for growth, not necessarily the expectation of success every single time.